How to add signature in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings icon on the top right of your screen beside your profile icon. Now, in the menu that appears, tap on the account option and then tap on the signatures option you see there. Now, tap on the new signature option you see there if you want to add a new signature, and further go ahead and enter the signature name and then type in the text for your signature. Further, go ahead and tap on the Save button and now, once the signature is saved, under the Select Default Signature tab, select the signature for new message and signature for replies or for words, and then tap on the Save button again, and with this, the signature will be saved. So, this is how you can add signature in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.